Welcome back to All CX Solutions. This is week 2 of our Excel Intermediate training, your next step toward mastering Excel for work, business, and personal productivity. This week, we dive deeper into formulas, functions, conditional formatting, and advanced lookup techniques. If you're in Tanzania and want to join my in-person Excel classes in Dar es Salaam, visit my Instagram account, Yusra Ibwe, and send me a DM. Let's begin week 2.
Okay, so this week's program is packed with powerful Excel tools. We'll cover conditional formatting mastery, lookup functions including VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, text and date functions, advanced lookup techniques like XLOOKUP and index match, array functions, statistical functions, and data sorting. These skills will elevate your Excel performance to a professional level.
Conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting automatically formats cells based on specific conditions or values. This helps you spot patterns instantly, highlight outliers, track performance, and analyze data visually without manual checking. It's commonly used in sales tracking, budget variance analysis, project deadlines, and inventory monitoring. Mastering conditional formatting gives your reports a smart, professional look. Types of conditional formatting. There are several types of conditional formatting rules. Highlight cells rules such as greater than, less than, or text contains, top and bottom rules to find the highest or lowest values, data bars for visual data intensity, color scales for gradient-based comparisons, and icon sets like arrows and traffic lights for quick status markers. You can access all of these from the Home tab under Conditional Formatting. A great tip is to keep your rules simple at first, then combine multiple rules to create powerful visual analysis. Creating custom rules. To go beyond presets, you can create your own custom formatting rules. Select a range, click Conditional Formatting, then choose New Rule and select Use a Formula. Make sure to use absolute references with the $sign where needed. Use the F4 key to toggle between reference types. Examples include highlighting an overdue row or creating alternating row colors using the MOD function. Custom rules make your work more dynamic and tailored to your exact needs. Managing conditional formatting. You can view, edit, delete, or reorder all your conditional formatting rules using Manage Rules. To keep your workbook smooth and professional, limit the number of rules per cell, use consistent color themes, and clean up rules you no longer need. If Excel feels slow or rules are not working, check for conflicting rules or incorrect references. Okay, that's it for day 1. Let's see what day 2 have for us.
Lookup functions. Introduction to lookup functions. Lookup functions help you search for information in a table and return related results automatically. They eliminate manual searching, reduce errors, and make your reports dynamic. The main lookup functions are VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and the powerful index match combination. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is one of the most widely used functions in Excel. It searches for a value vertically in the first column of a table and returns information from another column. Always use false for an exact match. Common issues include #NA when a value is missing or #REF when your column index is incorrect. Remember, VLOOKUP only works left to right. HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP works exactly like VLOOKUP, but searches horizontally across rows. This works well when dealing with monthly or quarterly reports, or anytime your headers are across the top. Use it for price lists, grade conversions, inventory checks, or commission lookups. Match function. The match function returns the position of a value within a range, not the value, but the position number. This is extremely useful because match helps identify where data sits, which is key when we combined it with the index function. Index function. Index returns the actual value located at a specific row and column inside a range. Unlike VLOOKUP, index can look left or right, making it more flexible. It's also more durable because it doesn't break when columns move. index-match combination. When you combine index and match, you get a powerful lookup tool that can search in any direction, handle large datasets faster, and avoid VLOOKUP's limitations. Match finds the position, and index returns the value at that position. This combination is preferred in professional Excel work. VLOOKUP versus index match. VLOOKUP is simple and good for beginners, but it's limited. Index match is more powerful, more dynamic, and much faster when handling large datasets. Use VLOOKUP for quick tasks and index match for complex or professional datasets. Okay, so that's day 2. Keep practicing and meet you all on day 3 of our tutorial.
Day 3, text and date functions. Text functions help you manipulate names, codes, and strings. Left extracts characters from the beginning, right from the end, mid from the middle, and len counts the number of characters. These are useful for cleaning data or working with IDs, emails, and names. Advanced text functions. For more complex manipulation, use concat or the ampersand to combine text. Contain join is perfect for combining multiple cells with a separator. Trim removes unnecessary spaces. Upper, lower, and proper change capitalization formats. Substitute replaces specific words or characters, and find or search helps locate characters inside text. Date and time functions. Excel also has strong date and time functions. Today returns the current date, and now returns the date and time. You can extract the year, month, or day from a date, calculate weekdays, and measure differences between dates using DATEF. These functions are valuable for schedules, payroll, expiry tracking, and project timelines. That's it for day 3. On day 4, we will look into advanced lookup functions. Bye-bye.
Introduction to Advanced Lookups. Welcome to day 4 of our Excel Intermediate training. Today we go beyond traditional lookup formulas and explore advanced lookup techniques that give you more flexibility, more accuracy, and more analytical power. These advanced lookups let you search left, search right, search across multiple criteria, and return multiple values, all of which VLOOKUP cannot do. We'll be working with XLOOKUP, index match, XMatch, and the filter function. These skills are essential for anyone working with large reports, financial models, customer lists, or any data-heavy environment. XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the modern and more powerful version of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It allows you to search in any direction, left, right, up, or down, without worrying about the position of your lookup column. It can also return multiple columns at once and display a custom message if the value is not found. This makes XLOOKUP more reliable, more flexible, and much easier to maintain. The syntax is simple: lookup value, lookup array, return array, and optional settings like custom error messages or search modes. If your Excel supports XLOOKUP, this is the function you should prioritize for professional data work. Why advanced lookups matter. Advanced lookup functions solve problems that basic lookup functions can't. They allow you to search to the left of the lookup value, use multiple conditions, return multiple values at once, create dynamic and scalable formulas, and handle large datasets with better performance. These capabilities make your spreadsheets more accurate and more automated, especially when dealing with financial statements, sales dashboards, inventory systems, or HR databases.
Day 5. Practice conditional formatting and lookups plus advanced lookup functions. That is the key to master any skill and knowledge. Practicing. Day 6. Statistical functions. SUMIF and SUMIFS. SUMIF adds values that meet a single condition, while SUMIFS adds values that meet multiple conditions. These functions are essential for financial analysis, sales reporting, and data segmentation. You can filter numbers, text, ranges, or even use criteria from other cells.
Day 7, Sorting and Choose function. Advanced data sorting. Sorting is more than arranging A to Z. With multi-level sorting, you can sort by multiple columns in order of priority. You can also sort by colors, icons, or use custom lists, such as low, medium, and high. Excel even allows left-to-right sorting for horizontal data. Choose function. The choose function returns a value based on an index number. It's great for converting numbers to labels, simplifying nested if statements, and creating dynamic formulas. You can also combine choose with weekday to return day names instantly. As we conclude our training, these are the key takeaways. Summary of what you learned. This week, you learned intermediate Excel skills, including conditional formatting, lookup functions, advanced text and date manipulation, dynamic arrays, SUMIF and SUMIFS, and advanced sorting. These skills make you faster, more accurate, and more valuable in any data-driven role. Okay, thank you for completing Week 2 of the Excel Intermediate Training. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to all CX Solutions. Comment below and tell us what you want to learn next, whether Excel or any other digital skill. And if you're in Tanzania and want to join my physical classes in Dar es Salaam, visit my Instagram page, Yusura Ibwe, and send me a DM. Keep practicing. Your Excel journey continues.